Okay, as of right now, I have the video of this uploading, or the video of me fixing it anyways, because now that it is, I want to get a better video of it, because that was just kind of rushed and I didn't have the tripod, but now I have the tripod. So, this is a vintage Happy Home window box fan type thing that I found on my morning walk that I do. What's in my sock? I don't know what was in my sock. And I've been wanting a vintage fan for my collection for quite a while. So I thought it would be a perfect opportunity to pick this up. Someone was throwing it out on the side of the road, so might as well, you know. I believe this is part of the McGraw Edison company, because that's what I found on eBay. There was one listed for $149. It is 115 volts, 60 hertz. I believe it is 2.35 amps. Has an RPM range of 950. It has a universal electric motor. It's made in Michigan, I believe. Model is 26-81. Oh, serial number is 3P18377. You can see how big that freaking motor is. I'm not entirely sure when this fan was manufactured. If anyone can decode that, or what's readable on the motor plate, put in the comments. I would appreciate it. But I'm gonna look it up after I do this video. Don't mind the background. Yeah, I believe this is a window box fan type thing because of the round cage that's in the back of it. Because this is supposed to be facing outside, and then this is supposed to be facing in the room where you could actually turn it on and whatnot. So it's kind of like a window box exhaust fan, I believe. It's non-reversible, which is quite weird. It's just high, low, off with the push button. I wanted to do a better video of it since that one was kind of rushed, so that's what we're going to be doing. That's got a nice startup too. That's high speed. It's a little out of balance because of the blades. I haven't bent the blade back into place, but it runs flawlessly. That runs flawlessly, dude. And there's low. There's low speed. And off. It works freaking flawlessly. And the bearings are free amazingly too, which I'm honestly not surprised. I knew it would work actually. Because stuff like this almost never don't work. These vintage equipment always works. Always. Without fail. without fail. If you're also wondering how the front guard comes off, you just pull off the front guard and it comes off, which I done in the other video that I did on it. But yeah, this is just a little more kind of initial checkout with it actually running. It's got a startup too. It's got a startup noise too, so you hear that. It runs flawlessly. Flawlessly. Wow. I can't believe how good this fucking thing runs, dude. It runs like brand new. This thing runs like brand new. Like I just picked it up from the store whenever it came out, like in probably the 60s. I'm guessing. It's quiet too. It's very quiet. That's not loud. That's not loud at all. This is quieter than my Honeywell, actually. Quite funny enough. There is the low speed as well. It's a 2-speed with the push button on the back, which I never seen before. I never seen one of these before, which is weird. Which is quite weird. But now I have it, and it works. So I'm gonna use it. It works fucking great, dude. Oh my god. I actually can't believe that I actually fixed this thing. Like, I knew I'd be able to, because it's vintage and these are actually easy to work on. But yeah, look at it. It runs, dude. This bitch runs. It's a little. I don't know how well you could see it shaking. It does shake a little from the blades being out of balance because of what I had to fix on it, but it's perfect. And it's powerful too. It's quite powerful. I don't know how big this is. I'm guessing this is a 20-inch box fan if I had to guess. It looks to be it. It looks to be a 20-inch box fan. Look how good those bearings are. See, this is what I mean by vintage is better than modern junk. Like the rest of my collection. It's not every day you see someone throwing out a vintage piece of equipment like this. A rare one at that, too. Yeah, this is not reversible, unfortunately. It could use, well, it does, actually. It does need a good cleaning. But, that's something I could do another time. One last startup. Let's do one last startup. Run it on high for a little bit. And then we'll end it. It's powerful. That's what I think is powerful. That is strong. This reminds me of that exhaust fan that shopping center had when I was a kid. The front of this. It looks very similar, but it was a 6-blade and it had a red blade. That's all the difference, and I think it was a little bigger, but it had a bigger motor, but that's what this reminds me of. Yeah, this is a keeper. Happy Home. The branding I find is the most funniest thing about this fan. Happy Home. It's got a good motor too, Universal Electric. Kind of surprised it doesn't have a GE motor, but it doesn't really bother me. There you have it.